It's such a nice day out. It's been so ugly and it's already April. Check this out though. I'm getting this window finally tinted, and then I'm gonna get down and we're gonna see what else I need to do to my car. Alright, I'm in a hurry today, so now I gotta get ready because I gotta go to the gym. Gotta grab this one today because this is my gym bag. I don't need to take it with me. I could just grab a shirt. I gotta clean my car. I'm at the gym, but I parked over here because I'm waiting for my Apple Watch to charge up a bit. But I can also got what's going on over there. Sorry for the music, but they got an event going on. I wanted to show you this. See the window? It's finally tinted. But another thing that I'm gonna go over real quick is just what I need to do to my car this summer to get it back into like its best running capable form, to make it be the best driving machine like BMW says. So number one, I realized I need to clean the car. Not just that, but another thing that I've been putting off for a very long time is this. The fact that when I bought the car, I didn't realize that the car had a clear bra on it when I first got it, and this fucking fender looks yellow compared to all the other ones. Now also the car was involved in a crash, so I feel that they painted it and that paint is pretty shitty, and then when they put the clear bra on top it made it yellow even more. So that fender needs to be painted in my eyes. Not just that, but also I need new struts. I know it sounds like a lot, but this car should not be sitting that low. These are 17 inches, and before I used to be able to get at least 3 fingers in here. Now I can only get like 2. And not just that, but the ride quality has gotten super fucking harsh, to the point where it feels like I'm driving a McLaren 675 LT, which I clearly am not. So I don't want it to feel that way. And when I bring people into the car, it makes it feel like the car is so much stiffer to them than what it should be. So that's already 2, right? I need to fix that yellow fender. I need to fix the struts. I don't know if I might upgrade the struts or just get new ones of the same ones that are already on to save money. Another thing was this fucking bumper needs to be repainted. Not just that, but I need to fill it in because I need to fill it with Bondo, because as you could see, they shot at me right there. This was a long time ago. This is another story. And that's pretty much it. But yeah, man, my car's not looking too good this summer. I'm trying to fix it up, but random things keep happening. For example, I popped 3 tires this winter. Actually, I popped 4, but only 3 were replaced because this one popped twice. I think it was this one. But as you can see, like, each tire cost me $250, so that's $750, and that was a lot of money. But other than that, I don't know what if you guys have anything else you guys want to see. Some things that are coming in though, these are gonna be replaced to black. This chrome, I'm gonna have the chrome kidney grills, the black kidney grills. Another thing that's being replaced on this car is gonna be the chrome outline on the windows. This right here, this trim piece. Thing that I'm thinking about and I'm contemplating right now, as I said earlier, is whether I'm going to actually paint them or just get them wrapped, because then I might be able to unwrap them in the future. But I think that they just look better black, so whoever gets the car after me, if I decide to sell it, is gonna like it anyway. So that's pretty much it for now. I am gonna clean the car. I'm gonna detail it as well. I'm gonna try my best to get this fender to get as clean as possible, because I'm telling you, when you touch it, it even feels like so gritty. But yeah, that's it. So what I'm gonna do next is definitely do a little review video on it. I'm gonna clean the shit out of the car to make it look as best as possible, so I can give you guys a real nice detailed view of the car, and I'll actually get to tell you now what the car is like owning it and what comes with owning a car like this, because it's not easy.
6.5 hours later.
But I'm gonna talk about what it's like owning the car once I get all these little mods done that I want to do, and I do my final review video on this car, because I've owned it for almost 4 years already. So other than that, this video was mainly just for me, and so that you guys also know what I'm about to start doing. Like I said, I do have those kidney grills coming in, so that's gonna be a video for sure. And also I'm gonna just do update videos, and I'm gonna try to record more. I've been slacking because it was so cold out, and not just that, but I was dealing with some other shit, and they cut my hours at work, so I was busy trying to find a job. So that was all that was going on, guys. But anyways, guys, I will see you guys later. I'm going to visit Burger because I am starving.